Absolutely love my staff here at the East Texas Treatment Facility. You see smiles everywhere, which changes the mindset of everybody from the client population to the staff population.
As part of the continuing effort to maintain and improve morale, much focus at the East Texas Treatment Facility has recently been on the health of environment. For starters, the entire facility is undergoing an extensive repainting.
So in doing that, it changed the mood of the client population and it changed the mood of the staff that we have in place. You know, walking in the doors to having a fresh painted, light, bright colors really sets the tone of the facility.
Uplifting murals are throughout the facility, reinforcing positive encouragement. Additionally, large video displays have been installed in the clients' dorms where increased entertainment options are provided. Plants have also been added along with furniture. For the staff, a nicely furnished briefing room has been provided, along with a workforce station room where staff can review timesheets, take engagement surveys, and get the latest MTC news.
I often pass by and see them watching MTC videos, looking at MTC updates. So they're very grateful for that area that we've implemented.
Warden Rodriguez and her leadership team are driven to continually improve the facility for the clients who live there and the staff who are working together to make a difference in the clients' lives.
They're the driven movement of this facility, and we could not do it without each and every staff member on this facility, from the administrative staff to the program staff to the security staff, operational staff. They all lend a helping hand in the progress that we have made here at the East Texas Treatment Facility.